Dear students, in this video we will learn about the application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and in this video we prove that electron cannot exist inside the electron by the help of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It means non-existence of electron in nucleus. Electron cannot exist inside the nucleus. We will prove it by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Suppose this is a nucleus, and suppose electron survive at any position, and position of the electron is uncertain, and we can consider it delta x. Delta x, this is the this represents the uncertain position of electron if electron existing inside the nucleus. And we know that radius, it means this radius of nucleus is nearly equal to 10 to the power minus 14 meter. So delta x should be equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. And by uncertainty principle we know that delta x, delta px is greater than equal to h upon 4 pi, or we can say that delta px is nearly equal to h upon 4 pi into delta x, or we can say 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, this is value of Planck constant, 4 into 3.14 value of pi, and delta x is 2 into 10 to the power minus 14. It should be the uncertain value of momentum kilogram meter per second. And we know that if electron exists inside the nucleus, it means in a very small space, then its energy should be the relativistic energy. And in video of relation between relativistic energy and momentum, we have learned that E is equal to under root m naught square c4 plus p square c square. This is the relation between relativistic energy and relativistic momentum, and we can consider if it is delta E, then under root m naught is constant, c is constant, momentum becomes delta p square c square, as m naught, c are constants. For uncertain linear momentum, energy become uncertain. And if we put the value of all the parameters, m naught means rest mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 m naught square, c is 3 into 10 to the power 8 power 4, delta p is this is delta p, so we can put the value of delta p 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 upon 4 into 3.14 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 14. This is delta p square, and c square is 3 into 10 to the power 8 square. This is the delta p square c square. And if we solve the delta E, then delta E is nearly equal to 10 million electron volt. And it means if electron wants to resides inside their nucleus, it should have an amount of energy 10 million electron volt. And however, in beta decay, energy of electron is only 3 or 2 million electron volt, which varies widely from this calculated value. Calculated value shows that electron should have energy 10 million electron volt, and in beta decay shows that electron having energy 2 or 3 million electron volt. It means we can conclude that electron do not reside inside the nucleus. Electron cannot exist inside the nucleus. It is a proof that electron cannot exist inside the nucleus by the help of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This is one application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Thank you.